Hello everyone, welcome back to this brand video. Today we're going to talk about how to fix verification required when updating or installing free apps from the App Store on your iPhone and iPads iOS 14 and 15. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, guys, what you have to do is just go back to your home screen and then open up here settings app on your device and then tap here on your Apple ID. And from here, what you have to do is just tap here on your media and purchases options and now tap on view account, and from here tap on country or region and now tap here on change country or region. And from here what you have to do is just simply select your country. Like I'm selecting here my country as United States, and here are some terms and conditions, so you have to agree to them and go tap here on agree. Again tap on agree to confirm the process. And here is the payment method: credit, debit card, PayPal or none. So what you have to do is just you have to carefully tap here on none. That's it. And here you have to give the information. You can put fake one as well. And then here you have to select the state. So I'm selecting here my state, California. So you have to select according to your state. And then here you have to give the zip code for your state. If you don't know about the zip code for your state, you can search it on your Safari browsing app or any other browsing app. But in my case, the zip code for the California is 90201. And here you have to put the phone number. You can put fake one as well. And then tap here on next and tap on done. And then go back and again open up here App Store and try to update or download the app here. Like I want to download this one. So guys, as you can see, app installing right now without verifications required. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.